Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I crochet and knit and share my experiences and journey with you. You can follow along on this journey by hitting that subscribe and liking this video. Do leave a comment as well because it helps me. Today we are working on my granny square blanket and we are making this granny heart. You can see I have made it in two different color scheme and it looks good in both. What a coincidence. It's a very simple idea. First two rounds are just one color and it's only in third round that we have to do some yarn manipulation, playing with two yarns, and from fourth round onwards it's just one color again. Let's use these two colors. I'll make the center, the heart, with this. Let's start our granny heart by making a slip knot and making 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join first and last stitch with the help of slip stitch. In this circle that you have created by joining first and last stitch, we will make our granny clusters, and we will make our first granny cluster by making a chain 3 and 2 double crochets. So this will be only with one cluster. Rest of our clusters will be 3 double crochets. So after my cluster I have made 3 chains. Now I will make my next cluster, and I will also crochet above this tail end. After each cluster we will make chain 3, and in this way you will finish your first round. Join with the first chain 3 to finish your first round. This is the start of our granny heart. Let's start the next round. I will not turn my work. I will continue working on the same side. That's why I'm going to slip stitch to the next corner. And then make chain 3 and complete my cluster by making 2 more double crochets. Chain 3 and next cluster, second cluster. So this is our first corner. I'm not going to chain anything above our cluster. I'm going straight to the next corner. Next corner is same. 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. So finish this. Join with the first chain 3, 1 2 3, and these are the first 2 rounds of our granny heart. I have finished my second round and I will now start my third round, and you can see that in third round I have made the corner, 2 corners in color A and 2 corners in color B, and I will start from the corner. 1 2 3, 2 clusters joined with 3 chains. 1 2 3. Now I will start my color B, and I will use color B to finish my third double crochet. Now we will go to the next corner, and I am taking the color A with me as well. Again we will make 2 clusters joined with 3 chains. And I am making third double crochet, and I will use color A to finish my third double crochet, and in this space again remember to take color B with you to this next corner, and we will make a cluster with color A. Again in the third double crochet use color B to finish it, and take color A to the corner, three chains and 3 double crochets. We will finish third double crochet using color A, and we will take color B along and make our next cluster using color A. We are taking color B with us because we have to use it once more in this round. And now we are in the last corner, and remember 2 corners are made using color A and 2 with color B. So this is our second corner made using color A. Chain 3, and this is our second cluster of this round. And again third double crochet will be finished using color B, and the last cluster of third round will be made using color B. And I will join with the first chain 3, at this point you can cut color A. We will weave in that tail. Let's make one more round and hope the heart will look like a heart. Now you can either slip stitch and come to this point, or chain 3 and turn your work. When we are working on this round, we will try to take the yarn from the previous round as well, so that we get a much neater look. And now I will join with the first chain 3. From now on, I will not turn my work. I will just slip stitch into the corner and then complete my rounds. I will make at least a couple of more rounds and then I will show you the final look. Here is the final look of granny heart, and as you can see, it's a fairly easy block. You just have to do some yarn manipulation in one round and you get this interesting looking block. This is what it looks like on both sides. Here is my collection of granny hearts. I hope you will have fun playing with this very easy and interesting block, and don't forget to leave a comment. Just write granny heart if you can't think of anything else, and I will see you next time with a new block for my granny square blanket. Till then, take care.